Is there anything better than freshly baked, warm dinner rolls to accompany any meal? These honey whole wheat dinner rolls are one of my favorites. Start by lightly greasing a 9x13 baking dish with butter or nonstick spray. To make these dinner rolls, I'm going to use my stand mixer equipped with the dough hook. To start the dough, I'm going to combine together some liquid honey, yeast, and warm water. Stir together and let it proof until nice and foamy. While that's going, I'm going to combine in the bowl of the stand mixer, whole wheat flour, white flour, and salt, mix together, and then add in the proofed yeast, liquid honey, large eggs, melted butter, and warm milk. Start your mixer on low to combine all the ingredients together, and if your dough is too sticky, you can add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour until the dough comes together, and after a few minutes of mixing, it should come together into a ball, and the dough should be tacky and not sticky. Transfer the dough to a clean bowl and cover with the tea towel, let it rest for 15 minutes. After resting the dough, you're going to want to start dividing it in 24 equal pieces. To do this, I like to place it on a food scale, get the total weight divided by 24. Cover your 24 pieces of dough with plastic while shaping them into rolls. The easiest way to do this is to shape each piece of dough into a flat disc with a smooth surface. Bring together the thumb and index of the other hand together, and then push the draped disc of dough through the hole, creating a smooth, tight, rounded surface. Once the piece of dough is pushed through, close the bottom seams together by pinching it shut. Place the balls of dough smooth side up in the baking dish, 4 rows of 6, then place a plastic on top, covered by a clean tea towel. Place it in a warm place to rise for about an hour, and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the balls of dough have reached the top of the baking dish, carefully remove the plastic and brush the rolls with water. Place in the preheated oven for 25 minutes or until nice and golden brown on top, and right away brush the tops of the rolls with melted butter. Let them rest for 10 minutes and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at frenchkizcook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.